Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Some of my subscribers they want each and every step of this Course Zero unlock, which I am going to show you step by step within 5 minutes. Just listen carefully and look carefully and just understand it what I am trying to say. Otherwise, you are not gonna success in this. Just go to login, okay? It's a simple step. When you go login with Google. Simply you go to login with Google and it will show you the login account. If you have only one account, it will log in automatically, and I will get this type of page. There you can get the upload now option, or those person who will not get this type of page, I will be showing again in next step. You can see here if you get this also, I will come in this page again. You can just look this 10 uploads earns you 5 free unlock. Okay, I will be coming this page again. Wait, I will show you how if someone get another page, then how they have to do like. Okay, you can see this is my first page of home page. You can say Coursera home page. Okay, and here you can see the zero unlocks, zero something tutor question. Okay, and how to gain the unlock. Okay, and you just go to upload. Here you can see the upload. Go to upload, and I will be showing you what type of files you have to keep here. Okay, and you can see here this is my university assignment, the homeworks and assignment they have given me. I just done this here according to question and this answers all. Whatever you have document you can post over there. Okay, you can see my this type of assignment. I have done this like yes, and just I will just drag and drop here. School name you can write anything. Okay, I will write this Delhi anything I took. Okay, now drop your files here. Now I have to drop my file. Just pick up and keep here. Uploading one document. It will take little bit time, so I was not able to show you properly. And course name you can say MATS math. Okay, math you can see this like, and it will be processing this like. When it get processed it will accept. After accepting it will, this bar will come up to here and here and here and here. You can keep another document also like this, but your document must be unique to accept this. Okay, you can see the decline option also. I will write here math 15. It will be processing. If this process will be success under this 5 minutes, then I will be showing you. Otherwise, you can see the already ready-made process. You can see here I have 4 unlocks. I have 5 user unlock. You can see after going to my uploads, I have shown you the step how to put the document. Yeah, right. You can see here. After you will put this like, then 1 2 3, if some uploads will be able to that upload will be there, then this bar will be coming here. After 5 upload 50%, 6 60 70 89, the 10 files it will be accepted, then it will be full. This green color will be fulfilled here. After this fulfill you will see this like, this option will be available here. You can see in my this option is not available. After this getting full, you will get this types of option. Guys, you have been asking the PDF, yeah, right? And this type of PDF or you this document you can get in uh, net also, Google also. Some type of PDF, the PDF or the document which gives something information, at least something information, anything else, but it should not be uploaded by someone in this Course Zero. Okay, you can get the documents from the Google and you just paste over here and drag and drop here. It is easy process only. Look, it will take time, so I am not getting time to show you in 5 minutes. So thank you all guys. You can see here I have got this type of unlock, and I have shown you how to unlock in before videos. I will be showing you the description. It was fully focused on the steps how to upload and gain the unlocks, and some video I have given below the description. You can see those two video and you will be getting get to know perfectly. My first two video only can show you perfect way, and second video for those who have some doubts, and this video is for focused on only the step, main step to unlock this, because some of my subscribers has got issue, so I made this video. Thank you so much all. Keep loving and subscribing. Your one like or subscribe makes me more encouraged for these types of work and making you to understand. Thank you so much.